What up, dudes? I just about ready to put some spark plugs in my car. Bam. And running through, doing some Audi brand exclusive factory plugs. 36 bucks and a quarter a piece. So we're just gapping them and getting ready to put them in. And you're wondering, is that pretty expensive? Hell yeah, that is. But the dang thing with those cars, man, coming from experience and working for Volkswagen, that runs on a digital system, electronic system, ignition. So it's worth it to get the real deal. And yeah, they're flipping expensive, but I've had it before, had them come in and they don't have the right plugs in, they run like crap. So it's worth it, spend the money to get them, and it will run good for sure. I've had it happen. So we're just getting them set up, gapping them. Always check, make sure you got no cracks, everything's set tight, made the way it should be, because dudes drop these things off, the shelf, on the floor, shipping, you never know. And for 36 bucks a piece, that's 145 bucks for the whole set for my car, for 4 of them. So yeah, not cheap. So check your plugs, make sure no cracks, no damage. Check your electrode, spark electrode in the center, everything. Make sure it's all good to go, because you never know, you could have a slight crack and a misfire later. I've seen that happen too. So check them. You should check them before you buy them when you're at the register, because then you get home and who knows. So anyways, I'm gonna gap them, check your numbers, make sure they all match also, and check your specs on your gap, so you know what they should be running. I've already had one that's off. I'm on my 3rd one now, so number 3, and we are running 0.032 inches for the gap. So spark plug gap right there, right here, slide her in, and that one is 31. So it's a little tight, but that's all right. As it breaks in, starts firing, it'll be good. So I usually run a tiny bit tight, and good to go. So number 3, boom. Don't drop them, especially on glass. If you know what I'm saying. All right, double check, make sure it's all good. I always do this. I've had issues before, and it's a pain in the ass trying to chase stuff if you just check it from the beginning. 06H905621A 2008 Audi A4 2.0 4-cylinder turbo FLYIN Avant. And 0.31. Good. And if it's a little tight, I had one that was a little tight. Got Macco tool here. gapping tool on the end. You can grab, check which end. It's got a little hook in it. Slide it over the end, and then you can bend it up to gap it. So that's about it. We're at 0.031. 0.031. 0.031. 0.032. That one's a little tight, or a little loose. 0.031. We're good. Alright, you're all set. Usually I like to add a little anti-seize on the threads when I put it in, so when I change them out next time, they're not super hard to get out. Usually they're not anyways, but that's about it. So 36 bucks a piece. We'll get them put in and fired up, and should be running good. All right, turn some wrenches, live it up. Peace. That's what's up.